It's the announcement millions of Victorians have been waiting for. And even though bookings don't officially open for another 12 hours, many tried their luck this afternoon.
So this is a very significant announcement. I just ask people to be patient. From tomorrow, all 16 to 39-year-olds across Victoria will be eligible for Pfizer.
With a shipment from Poland imminent, 450,000 appointments will open for the Pfizer jab at state-run hubs over the next month.
That's not enough for everybody, but it's enough to make a good start.
And although those appointments don't open until 7 a.m, the website was overwhelmed today, showing just how many young people are keen to roll up their sleeves.
Anybody who is under the age of 40 who already has an AstraZeneca appointment booked, you will be offered Pfizer or AstraZeneca at your appointment. You do not need to change your appointment.
The ramp up to reach our vaccine targets started early this morning at the Epping Market, where there are plans to vaccinate thousands of greengrocers, florists and farmers on site as they collect fresh produce.
We figured the easiest way to ensure that they all got vaccinated was to bring it to them.
And the process was really simple, which it makes it easier for us to get it done.
Victoria recorded 50 new cases today, including 5 more at the Royal Melbourne Hospital. The outbreak at the hospital has now been linked to the Shepparton cluster, which in turn has been linked to cases in Glenroy.
We have a very firm grip on the Shepparton outbreak at this time. It's fantastic work by the school communities.
Growing case numbers in the western suburbs are still causing concern. This Woolworths in Altona North is now a Tier 1 exposure site. But while authorities believe they're on top of the St Kilda outbreak, the Services Union says some employers in the area have refused to give staff paid time off to get tested who may have been exposed at work.
I think it's frustrating, but it's also dangerous. And I think that's what concerns our members, is that they're being put in a situation where if they, for whatever reason, don't have personal leave, what are they going to do?
And there's frustration too about the absence of a time frame for a return to school, with some parents posting images on social media as part of a campaign to highlight the mental health toll on young people.
Now that teenagers can get vaccinated, where's the plan to get them back to school? Because this is so important to our kids. Getting them back in the classroom, getting them back with their friends.
The Premier maintains it is achievable for Victoria to get back down to 0 cases, even with the Delta strain. But he says the real challenge is to keep it that way.
Could you get to 0 and be at 0 for 3 months, 6 months? That's going to be incredibly difficult, particularly when you look at how many cases are raging up in New South Wales.
Making vaccinations even more important. Bridget Rollison, ABC News, Melbourne.